Hey guys, welcome. Well, you've seen all the plans. Watch the man make the bases, but still lots of empty spaces. And watch me paint over what I've just done. While this little old Dora girl loves sitting in the sun. While Mark gets all of his chores done. So if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. And if you want to hit that subscribe button, go for it. We do lots of fun projects, lots of DIYs. But hey, listen, if you're not new here and you're coming back, thank you so much for coming back. We appreciate your support. What you doing?
I'm just putting together the Yoho Special Weather Defense Unit here.
It's very professional.
Well, you know, years past we've had incidents of work stoppage due to weather, so I like to try and minimize those. So we're putting one up here, and then we're going to put one up over your area as well, just because we got two tarps.
And we need to get some staining done, and I feel like it's going to rain. I can feel it in my bones.
Yeah.
But no, really, it said it on the forecast too.
True story. But yeah, with just a few bungee cords, we can work again. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking the medium section, the really tall covered section. I need to take 1/8 of an inch off of the top and bottoms of the sides, because I needed to make a little bit more room for where the floating island is going to slide into. So you'll see that getting built next. This is leading up to that stage. So I just need to cut 1/8 of an inch of each one. So I'm just measuring that out with my square here. It's really good to get a square with the little pencil holes in it every 1/8 of an inch, so you can really get a good measurement going. And perfect line every time. So we're just going to start assembling the center sections here, one wall at a time. I don't know how else you'd do it. Sure there's a way. There we go, one finished.
I guess it's just the same process for each section.
Yeah, that's right. You know what my favorite words is?
What?
Modular.
Ew, I forgot about that. Modular.
Modular is how I like to build them.
Oh, Lord. Hey, totally ran. It looks like you gave the bottom of the bush a trim.
I'm not gonna say I
The
didn't.
plants, I love it. Like those are, no, like seriously, look at that trim. Little point cutting action. That was good, Mark.
Thanks. Felt good doing it.
Yeah, I got easily distracted by my plants again. Oh, I have to come over and see. Ah. Like, wow, I need to step back. Look at that.
You see that we've got all of the shelf holes pre-drilled. What I ended up doing was I found these online. It was an 80 pack for, I don't know, what was it, like 12 bucks or something like
Yeah,
that?
it was fairly cheap.
Yeah, it was really good. And I had to wait until I got them because they were 5mm, but I don't have a 5mm drill bit. So what I ended up doing was I took a slightly smaller drill bit with a countersink guide on it, and then when I got the hole drilled, I just gave it a quick little twist, kind of like that. That then was the perfect fit.
Nice.
For the peg hole.
Mark just got his package.
Quarter mate! So this is going to make cabinet assembly much easier. So I can just put the corners in there, and I don't have to worry about holding them with my own hand pressure, because this will just grip it nice and tight. And then we've got some different sized angles here as well that it comes with.
He'll let you know what he thinks of it too.
Oh, you'll see it in action.
Yeah, for the uppers, uppers.
Yep. Pretty excited. Got the new clamps, so we're gonna use them to attach the next box.
Oh wow.
Perfect fit.
Wow, that's that easy?
Yep. I did not think there'd be enough room there,
Oh yeah.
but it's the perfect amount of room.
Well then.
It's like these little things are just working out
I
on
haven't
their own.
stained this board because we're not going to see it, so.
Yeah, it's going to be on the inside. Pretty not too bad.
So as per usual, I'm just using one of my favorite polyacrylic satin finish water-based sealer. So the nice thing about this stuff is that it dries really fast, which is a bonus because like it's already dry. So I could do more if I needed to, a second coat, which I'm not going to do. This was just to kind of be able to dust it, give it a quick wipe. The shelves I might do a couple coats too, but we'll see how that turns out. Works out. Okay, bye. So this could be a miracle for me. This is the cleanest you've ever seen my hands after painting anything, except for that little. So this primer that I'm using, it does not wash off with water. So you gotta be really careful not to get it on your skin unless you wanna use some pretty harsh chemicals to get it off. But this paintbrush, so I just use these dollar store paintbrushes. Usually I use them quite a few times, but the quality of them isn't the greatest. So like you keep washing them over time and they kind of break down not very nicely. So I know that it's on its last legs or last strands, so to speak. So because this is not water-based, I'm just gonna chuck this after. I kind of feel sad. I might have a little paintbrush funeral. No, I won't, I'm just kidding. So, but anywho, that is what I'm doing with that. But so I'm kind of laughing at these 2x4s that we got from my parents. Like I say, scrap wood. They took something apart and shockingly, there was spray paint on some of them. Dad. So it's funny because I now know, well, I already knew, where I get my spray painting obsession from. And sorry, that annoying background noise is a fan because it's really hot in here.
Oh, you got a first coat on the...
yeah, that's just the primer.
The support pieces.
Yeah.
Awesome. What kind of primer did you use?
Oh, just a Kills, just like I normally use.
Ah.
Yeah.
There's going to be one more going in here.
Mm-hmm.
So what we've done is we got a 2x4 to act as the main support for each section, and then that's tied into the studs in behind. Mm-hmm. So we're not going to fall down. That's right. That's right, along with the weight of stacking on top of each other.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so you will get notified every time we post a new video. The Yo-Hos!
That's good.
So, or I don't even know what would get it off. Varathane? I'll get back to you on that one. What?
Guys are absolute jerks.
No, I'm gonna be laughing the whole
You're
time,
bullies.
Mark. Thank you.
You're bullies.
We're not, but you were.
Bullies.
We're not even
And
gonna
you
show
don't
how
make
he was sitting.
people